my 2025 predictions. Look at the last. I'm so lucky. It's okay. Let's try it again. It's okay. It's kinda good. Let's go. I know. I'm just a kid, bro. I'm just a kid. What the hell? Did I kill somebody? I'm kind of sleepy. The hell, bro? That's what I'm thinking. What in the world? I got the best days ever.
Char.
Sige ba, kung church taga-adlaw na lang. Oh, I'm Filipino. For sure.
Sana all.
Ngayon, mapat yun ay.